Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of our series, The Good, the Bad, and Spammy, where we dissect outbound emails that our team has received and give best practices and advice. Starting with the subject line, this subject line is, I think, really just kind of a lazy effort, but it is enticing and would potentially end up getting an open from myself or probably any recipient just because it is a little bit weird. I think that if you were to draw to more value that you provided in an email, that's overall just going to end up being a lot better and actually may result in a meeting opposed to just an open. Starting with the first paragraph, we never like a desperate attempt to get a meeting based on all the effort you've put in. You need to provide value and you need to give me a reason to want to meet with you. And, just because you've reached out a bunch of times isn't going to make me feel bad. I have to, find value in order to, use my own valuable time to meet with you. And this email overall doesn't even tell me anything about the company. It really is only just saying I've reached out to you time and time again, and I know that it can be a game changer for Mixmax. So let's go ahead and mention why this can be a game changer for Mixmax. Even if you've provided that in the past emails, maybe as a prospect or recipient, I might not go back and look at those emails. So put a few bullet points to remind me, here are the reasons, why I've reached out so many times. And I think it's better to just not even go on and on about how many times you've reached out, because most likely the recipient, they've seen those emails, they've most likely deleted them or whatnot. So they're most likely aware, and guilt tripping them isn't going to get you anywhere. Also, steering away from using I is very important in outbound emails because it just seems a little bit more selfish. You want to put it more about the prospect. Maybe, again, going back to here's how we can help you and, going off of that. Again, I think instead of saying just 10 minutes of your time, I think that's a little bit, saying that you're just going to use this amount of time and, we'll get this over with, that's not very valuable either. So again, adding more value, and then, if there's enough value, they shouldn't care how long the call is, within reason. And finally, I think asking for feedback is a lot better than saying, if you don't respond here, I'll just go ahead and remove you. If they haven't responded, maybe we want to say, why haven't you responded, and get their feedback there. And that's all I have for today, and appreciate your time.